Welcome back, Clean Titans. It's time for your weekly dose of inspiration and innovation. I'm your host, bringing you the latest breakthroughs and positive developments from the world of clean energy and climate action. This week, we're diving into some major milestones and exciting advancements that are truly shaping a sustainable future. So let's dive right in. First up, the groundbreaking news rocking the scientific community and the world at large. Scientists just announced the creation of an AI that can write climate-friendly cement recipes in just a few seconds. This AI might not be able to mix the concrete quite yet, but its potential for revolutionizing the cement industry is immense. Traditional cement production is a serious carbon emitter, accounting for 8% of global CO2 emissions. But with this AI, researchers are on the brink of a major shift. The best part, this AI isn't just good at its job. It's lightning fast, churning through thousands of potential cement mixture recipes in mere seconds. That's a speed that would take human experts weeks to achieve. This breakthrough wasn't a solo act. It's the result of a collaboration between Paul Scherrer Institute in Switzerland and the University of Stuttgart in Germany. They've been working tirelessly on this project for 2 years. The outcome, an AI model that simulates the intricate chemistry of cement hydration and estimates the associated CO2 emissions. The initial results are impressive. The AI suggests recipes that could reduce CO2 emissions by 40% while maintaining the desired material properties. Plus, it can even identify waste products that can be used instead of traditional cement components. This could not only cut down on emissions, but also help manage waste effectively. Now, you might be wondering, when can we expect to see this AI in action? Well, the researchers have already filed a patent for their invention and they are actively seeking partners to bring it to market. One thing's for sure, this AI is poised to shake up the construction industry and is doing it one smart recipe at a time. One big win was the progress on the High Seas Treaty, a game-changing deal to protect marine life beyond borders. The treaty aims to conserve and sustainably use biodiversity in the high seas, a vast area that covers over 60% of the Earth's surface. It's a vital step towards ensuring the health and resilience of our oceans. The summit saw strong support from various nations, and 50 countries have ratified the treaty, just 10 short of the 60 needed to take legal effect. This momentum reflects a growing global commitment to ocean conservation. Additionally, the issue of deep-sea mining gained considerable attention. The summit highlighted the urgent need to halt destructive deep-sea mining practices due to their potential ecological and climate impacts. Notably, 37 nations expressed support for a precautionary pause or outright ban on deep-sea mining. This includes influential countries like Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Denmark, Fiji, France, Germany, Iceland, Mexico, Norway, Philippines, Portugal, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and Uruguay. They recognize the fragility of deep-sea ecosystems and the importance of preserving them for future generations. The call for a pause or ban on deep-sea mining reflects a paradigm shift towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly practices. The support for the precautionary approach signifies a departure from the traditional extractive industries and embraces a more holistic view of resource management that considers the long-term health of the planet. The momentum generated at the UN Ocean Summit is a beacon of hope for ocean conservation. The support for the high seas treaty and the call for responsible deep-sea mining practices demonstrate a united front in safeguarding the health and well-being of our oceans. And here's another notable achievement. The UK government has made a significant commitment to protecting marine life by committing to ban bottom trawling in its marine protected areas. Bottom trawling, a destructive fishing method, has far-reaching implications for ocean health. By prohibiting this practice in protected areas, the UK aims to safeguard vulnerable marine ecosystems. This move is expected to have a positive impact on fish stocks and the overall biodiversity of the ocean. The UK government's decision is part of a broader effort to address overfishing and promote sustainable fishing practices. It reflects a growing recognition of the importance of protecting marine ecosystems and the species that inhabit them. The ban on bottom trawling in marine protected areas is a crucial step towards ensuring the long-term health and sustainability of the UK's marine environment. It sets an example for other nations and contributes to the global effort to protect the world's oceans. And in a groundbreaking development for sustainable food, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has officially given the green light for Wildtype's lab-grown salmon to be sold. This marks the first time cultivated seafood has received such approval in the U.S., and it's now available in select restaurants. This is a monumental step towards creating delicious, sustainable protein without the environmental pressures of traditional fishing. It paves the way for a future where our plates can be both satisfying and planet-friendly. Now let's turn our attention to another remarkable achievement. For the first time, a microfiber recycling plant has been launched to transform waste microfibers into valuable materials. This innovative solution addresses the growing problem of microplastic pollution, particularly microfibers which pose a significant threat to the environment. The recycling plant is equipped with advanced technology capable of processing a large volume of waste microfibers daily. This innovative solution helps divert waste away from landfills and incineration, promoting a circular economy. The recycled materials can be used in various applications such as construction and packaging, reducing the demand for virgin resources. By employing advanced technologies, the recycling plant efficiently sorts, cleans, and processes the collected microfibers. The resulting recycled material meets stringent quality standards, making it suitable for diverse industrial uses. The launch of the microfiber recycling plant marks a significant step forward in addressing the microplastic pollution crisis. It provides a practical and effective solution for managing waste microfibers, reducing their environmental impact, and promoting sustainable practices across industries. As awareness of plastic pollution grows, initiatives like this are crucial for creating a cleaner and more sustainable future. The journey towards a cleaner, greener world continues. These innovations, policies, and breakthroughs serve as a testament to human ingenuity, determination, and collective action. They paint a hopeful picture of a future where sustainability and progress go hand in hand. From AI-driven cement mixtures to ocean conservation efforts, lab-grown salmon, and microfiber recycling, each step brings us closer to a healthier planet. As always, we're eager to hear your thoughts and insights. Drop your comments below, share this episode with fellow change makers, and join us next week for more updates. Together, we can keep the momentum going and drive positive change for a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us again this week. If you enjoyed the show, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this episode with fellow Clean Titans who might be inspired by the updates. Your support helps us continue delivering insightful and uplifting content that empowers you on your journey towards a sustainable lifestyle. Until next time, keep being the change.